Do you struggle with managing your posts on your social networks? Or is your challenge the need for a fully functional website, but you lack the expertise to design one and you're also not so buoyant financially? Well, today is your lucky day, as we'll expose you to AI tools that can help you take care of these issues with little or no cost. If you also want to learn how to use AI to generate user personas, then consider watching this video till the end. Let's get started. First on our list is the amazing AI website builder, Durable, which boasts the ability to build a website in 30 seconds with the help of artificial intelligence. Type in your business idea, select a business name from the ones it generates, or input a name if you already have one. And that's all you need to get Durable to work its magic. This design is a good template to start with. You can customize the design to your taste by signing up. To get started with Durable, head to durable.co/AI website builder and build your dream website today. The next tool helps you stay consistent across your social networks, Metrical. Metrical can help you schedule more than a month's worth of content on all social platforms that are connected to it. Head to the planning section of the app and create a new post. You'll see all the social networks you've connected to Metrical. You can choose to create the same post on all networks or tap on Edit by Network to customize the post for the different social networks by clicking on the tabs. On the right-hand side, you'll see how the posts will look on the different platforms. Select the time you want the post to be published. It could be immediately or sometime in the future, and then save. You can drag the posts around on the dashboard and place them at times you want them published. With Metrical, you can also save posts as drafts before scheduling or publishing them. This tool has been of great use to our team in helping us save lots of time and improving our productivity on social media. I bet you'll also find it helpful. The next tool we'll be looking at will help you create lots of short clips from your long-form videos. Do you often spend hours trying to come up with shorts for your socials? Latte Video is here for the rescue. Copy the link to a video you want to make shorts from or drop a video file into the box with the paused element. Choose the duration of the clip you want to be generated for you. Upload. And in split seconds, your videos are ready. You can download the short clips, make them vertical, or even add subtitles automatically. Head to app.latte.social/video to start creating lots of shorts from your long-form videos. This tool is a real gem. Tool number 4 is prose.ai, the #1 tool for making social media content. This tool harnesses the power of AI to create amazing content for your social networks. Choose from 12 different languages and 7 post themes, that is, the tone of the post, to generate posts. The results are magical. You can change the templates to suit your taste and also edit the generated content. Prose AI allows you to edit the AI-generated captions for each post it creates. With Prose AI, you have access to AI-generated hashtags to choose from, as well as suggestions that will help boost your content. What are you waiting for? Start using Prose AI today and save yourself lots of time that can be channeled into other demanding tasks. And now, to our bonus tool that helps with user persona generation. If you know the need for user personas, then you'll be happy that AI can now help in generating user persona. Head to founderpal.ai/user persona generator. Enter the business type of a supposed user of your product or service and the particular audience segment you want to target. Generate free persona. This would take a short while, so wait for it. And there you have it. The problem, pains, goal, benefits, triggers, and barriers that lie before your target audience. You can use this information to create products and services to suit this particular user. You can also let FounderPal AI create insightful, actionable steps for your persona. I bet you'll find this tool handy. Let us know your thoughts on the different tools we explored in the comments section. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you'll always be alerted when we upload more insightful videos for content creators. Thanks for watching.